Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the hottest tech gadgets and accessories on the market.
Today, we've got something special for all you iPhone X and XS users out there.
The Diverbox iPhone X case.
Now, let me tell you right off the bat,
this is hands down one of the best iPhone X cases you can get your hands on.
it's not just a case, it's a fortress for your precious iPhone.
But before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at some key features.
It's shock-proof and drop-proof, providing ultimate protection for your iPhone X or XS.
We all know how accidents happen, but in this case, your phone is safe and sound.
Check out that raised lip. It ensures extra protection for your screen and camera. No more worrying about scratches or cracks.
The best part?
You can still use wireless charging without taking off the case.
Convenience at its finest. Speaking of screen protection, it comes with a high-quality 9H tempered glass screen protector.
It's tough,
Yet it maintains that sensitive touch for smooth operation.
and here's the cherry on top. Diverbox offers a lifetime replacement guarantee for your peace of mind.
They've got your back.
Now that we've covered the basics, let me share my personal experience with this case. I've been using it for a while, and let me tell you, it's a game changer.
This case is built like a tank. I accidentally dropped my phone a couple of times, and guess what?
Not a single scratch. That's the kind of protection you need. Another thing I love is the precision of the cutouts.
All your ports, buttons, and speakers are easily accessible, and the tactile feedback from the buttons is spot on.
Now, let's talk about style. The black finish is sleek and modern, adding a touch of sophistication to your iPhone.
And here's the best part. Despite all that heavy-duty protection, it maintains a slim profile.
Slip it into your pocket without any bulk.
When it comes to value for money, this case is a steal. Considering the quality of materials, the included screen protector, and the level of protection it provides, it's competitively priced compared to other cases on the market.
So, there you have it, folks.
The Diverbox iPhone X case is, without a doubt, one of the best iPhone X cases out there.
If you want to safeguard your device without sacrificing style,
This is the one for you. That's it for today's review, but before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome tech reviews like this one.
thanks for joining us today, and remember, your tech deserves the best. Until next time, stay tech savvy.